Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you beautiful people doing? Well, I'm here, sorry, with my peach tree. I'm by my peach tree right now. I don't know if you guys seeing, how beautiful them peach start looking. Them peach start getting so big, Look how big they start getting, watch. You see how they start getting big? Yes. But one thing, there's a tree hanging over this peach tree. And every time it rains, I lose a lot of peach. I can show you right now on the ground. Look how much peach, watch. You see? Every time it rains, I lose a lot of peach. I'm hoping that this year things could change a lot. But I don't know if you guys seeing, but these peaches grow so goddamn fast. You know what I'm saying? Look the size. Hold on. Look the size. I know I was showing you guys these a few days ago and they were so small. Look the size of these peaches. And this is what you call organic fruits. Yes, guys. So this is a little update on my peach tree. Man, is loaded. It's loaded and it's so they getting big. Nice and big. But every time it's rain, I have this problem. Every time it's rain. The rain, look, there's a lot on the ground. So I'm hoping that the rain could give me a chance this year. Look on this limb alone, watch here. Look the amount of peaches on this limb right here. This is just one limb, guys. One little limb. Look the amount of peaches up inside here. One little limb, guys. You know what I'm saying? So it shows you the way I take care of my plants, the things I feed my plants with. It shows you that it's really working. I mean, I try to show you guys proof of everything I'm saying. Look here, watch. Yeah, I try to show you guys proof of everything I'm saying. I show you guys step by step. I don't want to show you no prettiness and then you're not seeing the real picture of what's going on. I'm showing you the natural stuff. So thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Listen to me. I don't know if you realize it, but I ain't even show you half of the peach tree. You know what I'm saying? I didn't even show you half. Let me walk around and show you another portion. This is another limb right here. Man, these peaches, by July, August, they're gonna be ready. But look at it. Look the amount of peach. I'm not sure if you guys really see them through the camera, but look. I hope you guys see it, man. Look the amount of peach on this thing. Yes, so I'm just showing you guys my remedy and my proof at the same time. I feed my plant with this kind of stuff and these are the great result. They bake tons of fruits. Big and healthy. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Peace and love.